Bismillah Rahman Rahim. You are watching our channel Ramzan Travel. In today's video, we will discuss what you should do if your Pakistan visa is about to expire or has already expired and you need to leave Pakistan. In this situation, you can apply for a Pakistan exit permit. This permit allows you to remain in Pakistan for up to next 15 additional days, during which you must leave the country. In this video, you will learn what documents are required, how to apply for the exit permit online step by step, and how long it usually takes for the permit to be issued. We will cover all of these details in today's video, so make sure you watch complete video. You can see on your screen, this is a sample of Pakistan exit permit. It contains the applicant's personal information along with the date on which the permit was issued. You can also see the issue date. There you see the issue date is 15 May 2026 and the expiry date of the exit permit, which indicates the period during which the permit is valid. So you can also see that the person has to leave the Pakistan after you can say after the 30th May 2026. So it only allows you the 15 days stay period. In order to apply exit permit online, you have to first of all, you have to write Pakistan visa login in any browser. Many links will appear in front of you. I will pin this link in the description and also in the comment. So when I click this link, first of all, you have to make an account on this Pakistan visa website. In my previous video, I have told you how to make an account on this. You can you have to click create account, and a simple performer will appear in front of you. You have to just put some dummy just basic information, given name, last name, email, and then you have to retype your email, passport number, password, retype your password, and then you have to write this captcha. And after that, in second step, you have to verify your email, and after that I will click login. There you have to enter the Google Authenticator code. You have to download Google Authenticator app in your mobile, and make sure that your email is also entered in your Google Authenticator app. Now several codes will appear, and you have to write the code there, and then you have to click the verify. So I will enter my code. After logging in, you will see the page terms and condition. You have to accept the terms and condition. Click accept and continue. Now we will see the complete process for applying the exit permit online. First of all, you have to click this new application tab. After clicking this, a new window will appear in front of you. There you have to select exit permit, because we are applying exit permit, and then you have to click start application. A new home page will appear in front of you. There you have to just follow these 5 simple steps. In the application details, first of all, you have to select the visa category, but make sure choose the same visa category under which you enter the Pakistan. So I will select it as a family visit. For your easiness, I will also select visa subcategory family visit. Then you have to write the visa number that is basically written at the top of your visa, starting with 8. So I will enter some dummy data. Then you have to write the visa issue date. So I will select some dummy date, and you have to enter the visa expiry date. So I will select some dummy date. Now you see that the system has automatically calculated the period of our stay. That is basically 79 days. So this information is not mandatory, and this is also not mandatory. Then I have to enter my date of birth. I will select some dummy information. Then application type, either you are foreign national or you are foreign national with a Pakistan origin. So select as per your case. I will select as foreign national. Then I have to enter the passport number. So I will select some passport number. Sorry, if I am from Afghanistan, I have to select my Afghanistan passport number. Passport issue date. So I will select it as issue date. Then I have to select passport expiry date. So you have to enter the information as per your case. Then click save button. As you can see, the fees is now displayed at the top. That is 212 USD dollar. After that, you have to select some basic information like your complete name. You have to enter your father or husband name if you are female. Then you have to enter date of entry, into the Pakistan, purpose of your visit, your present nationality, your profession. This one is not mandatory. And then you have to enter your home address if you are Afghanistan. If you are from Afghanistan, you have to enter your Afghanistan address, and you have to enter the Pakistan address, and then you have to enter the phone number. I have entered my phone number. If you want to contact me, you can contact me via WhatsApp. You have to enter your email address. After entering all of this information, you have to click save. So this information is also been saved in the performer. Now the last section, that is supporting documents. You have to upload the supporting documents. What are the main documents that is required for your exit permit? You have to upload your passport, proof of entry to the Pakistan, proof of last Pakistani visa, and you have to upload the rejection or cancellation letter by Ministry of Interior. You can get this letter from Interior Minister, or you can also upload a handwritten document. So you can, so fifth one is the photograph. How you can upload this document? Simply on the left side, you have to select the category of the document. That was I select passport. Then you have to choose the passport. For choosing the required document, then you have to click upload. Now you see your passport has been uploaded. Similarly, you will select all of this document and upload on the website. Now you see that all the required documents have been uploaded. You can also, if you want to view this document, you can click view, and if you want to remove this document, you can also click remove. So I will click save. So now you see that this is a very simple application performer. All of the required information has been entered. Now you can review your filled application. So I will just check this box and click save button. Now all the information has been entered. Now I will click proceed to the payment. There you have to accept the terms and condition, accept and continue. So just enter your basic information and pay this hour stay fees. You will get your exit permit within 48 to 72 hours.